Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to download TikTok on PC and laptop. Downloading TikTok on your PC or laptop is very easy and only takes a few minutes. Using TikTok on a computer is great if you want to watch videos on a bigger screen or upload your own content directly from your PC. First, open the Microsoft Store on your PC or laptop. Make sure your device is connected to the internet. Next, click on the search bar at the top and type in TikTok. Press enter to see the results. Then, click on the TikTok app from the search results to open its page. Here, you can see information about the app, like its size, rating, and features. After that, click on Get to start downloading TikTok. The app will start installing automatically. You may need to wait a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once it's done, you can open the app and start using it on your PC or laptop. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.